Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And this is a tea book I created, and I will show you in this video how you can create it as well. And it's made for 6 tea bags with your favorites in it, and it's lovely to get, lovely to give. And before I forget, don't forget to subscribe, it can stand as well, and give a like to this video. That will help my channel grow as well. And let's get started. You need some lovely paper and a tea bag, and what you're gonna do is take the size of the tea bag, but give it a little bit of space underneath so you can fold it up. And the best way is to use some cardboard because that's a little bit firmer. And take the side of your tea bag, give a little bit of space between the sides so that you can fold it, but that there is a little space between. And now I create a folding line in it so that the tea bag don't fall out. And you need to create 3 papers. You put the tea bag on it like this, and this is the folding line I created. And then you fold it together, and you can use, of course, a folding bone. I don't use it. Sometimes I do, but in this case it's not necessary. And then we cut a piece off because that's a bit nicer. Don't throw it away because you need it for the rest of the pages so that they all got the same size for the insert. So that you can always decide which side you want to have in front or in the back. And now you create another small folding line, just a few millimeters from the first one, just a tiny, so that it gives it a little bit of space for the tea bags. So this is the extra folding line, and then you fold it the way you want. Just press the folding lines well in the paper, and it gives a little bit of space. And now I'm checking which side I like the most, red with the yellow or the yellow with the red. And then you can glue the edges together. It will be like this, and gives a little bit of space. And then just put the folding lines good in it, and then we glue the edges together. And you can use glue dots. I just use this kind of glue. It's a little bit firm glue that will do the trick. And press them together. And then, of course, you're going to do the other ones the same way. Look, the tea bags will fit in perfectly and have some extra space. Now I did the other ones as well, and now you see why I used this one as well, because then they all got the same size. You do it a little bit on the folding. You see the folding side still on the screen. Yeah, that was the word. Well, now we got 3 of the same, and we glue them together. So then it's almost finished already, because it's that's so simple. And of course you can use the same color kind of paper. You can decorate it afterwards. In this case I used already decorated paper because I like that more. But it's always what you want and what you still got in the closets and in your drawers. And now we have a book of 6 pages. And you see that extra space, well, that we need to use that for the tea bags. And tea bags can have different sizes, so for that reason I didn't took the sizes on this video, but just use a tea bag you like and then take the size of that. And now we're going to create the cover of it and make a line where that it's just a little bit bigger than the tea bag, and then you make a curve for the folding line for the cover, and then 2 centimeters, an inch, something like that, for another folding line, and then the third part will be just as big as the first part. So 2 folding lines, and the first part and the last part will have the same size, and that will fit it perfectly. But first I'm going to decorate the front. That will be a little bit easier than with the book in it. And I have some lovely tea stickers, but you can do, of course, a greeting card or something like that, or a wish or something like that is of course very nice as well. And I found a lovely button, and I will lift it up a little bit with this kind of tape, so that I can put a little rope around it. Oh, some extra flour. And now we're going to glue in the booklet, and that's the same size, same way we did the book as well, just a lot of glue. And now you will find out that we have a lot of space over, but that's not a problem. Look, now we have much space left, but that's okay. If we're going to put the tea bags in, then you shall see that we need it all. And now it's ready. Now we can put in the tea bags. And what kind of tea we have? Autumn. It's always strange. I mean, it's Dutch shop, but it's written in English. Cherries, tropical, green tea with cranberries, melon. What is the last one? Peach. And a nice rope, and I never know how much I need. But then it's finished already, and you have a nice little present, all for yourself if you're going away for a while. You always have your favorite tea bags with you. And I hope you, and I always have difficulty to create a knot in a rope. I hope you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!